Now let's talk about date and time formulas in Excel. First, we have the day formula. So what we do here is we just place the day and of this date. So what it gives you is the day of the date that you have specified. So for example, this one is the 15th of March 2016. So if you pass this value to the day formula, and it would give you the day, which is 15. So let's try it out over here. Day. And which will give you 15. Next is the R formula. So you just give it an R and of this specific time, and it will give you the R of this one. So for example, we have 12:59, pass R and the cell content over here, and it will give you 12 for this one. So let's try it out, R, and we select this cell. So it will give you 12. Next is minute. So this is similar to R. Instead of giving you the R, it will give you the minute of the time that you've specified. So again, we're using 12:59. We pass in minute, and then you give it the cell, and it gives you 59. So trying it out, we have minute, give the cell, and you get 59. Okay, so next is month. Month, on the other hand, you give it the date, and it will give you the numerical value of the month. So we have March 15 again. We pass in month, place the formula over here, give the cell value, and it will give you 3. So try it out over here, month, and you get 3 as well. Okay, network days. This is from this date and to this date. So we're giving a date range over here, and network days will give you the number of working days for the specified range. So for example, we have March 1, 2016 until March 31, 2016, and the number of working days between these two dates is 23. So you could notice over here, you give it the first, which is the start first, and then followed by the end date. So we have a start date and the end date. So if we select this one, network days, give it the start date, followed by the end date, and it will give you 23 working days. Next is now. Now what it gives you is the date for today, and also the time that we have right now. So it's fairly straightforward. It's just a formula, and you don't need to pass anything to it. It doesn't need anything. So if you type in now, okay, so it gives me this date today, and also the time. Second is you give it a time, and what it does for you is it gets the second portion of the time. So again, we have this example, 12:59 and 55 seconds. So we call the formula of second, pass this value over here, and it gives you 55. So let's try it out. Second, pass in this one, and it gives you 55 seconds. Next function is today. Today is kind of similar to now. The only difference is it's more focused on the date portion. So you just call the formula today, no need to pass anything, and it gives you the date today. So we type in today, it gives me March 17, 2015. So this is the date of my recording. Next is weekday. Okay, so weekday is, it gives you a numerical value, which is the day of the week for a given date. So 1 signifies Sunday, and up to 7, which is Saturday. So you just call this formula and pass a date, and it will give you a numerical value of the weekday. So for example, we have March 15, 2015. This is actually Sunday. So what I just did is call the weekday formula, pass in the value, and it gives you 1 for Sunday. So if you try it out, click day, okay, pass the value or the date, and it gives you 1. Next is year. So year is the, you just give it the date again, and then what it gives you is the year portion of the date. Okay, so we have March 15, 2015. Check the formula. We have year, and you just pass in the value, and it gives you 2015. So let's type in year, pass in the date, and it gives you 2015. Okay,